that is linear equations in one variable. In previous classes, we discussed the first chapter, that is rational numbers. In that, how to identify the rational numbers and how to plot the rational numbers on the number line, how to change the rational numbers into terminating and non-terminating recurring decimals, then how to convert the terminating and non-terminating recurring decimals into rational number form. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter is linear equations in one variable. Before that, we have discussed about the equations which are in the previous class, that is 7. What is the meaning of equations? Before we are going to define the equations, we have discussed about the open sentences. So what is the meaning of open sentence? Open sentence means we cannot say given the sentence either true or false. That is called an open sentence. See, we are going to some general examples. Dash is the capital city of Telangana. Dash is the capital city of Telangana. So we don't know in the sentence what is the capital city of Telangana. So we can't say this true or false. Dash means in this. Suppose we are going to fill this Hyderabad or Nizamabad, the sentence will become a true statement or false statement. It means all in the blanks are belongs to an open sentence. In algebra, open sentence means x plus 3. X plus 3 is an open sentence. We can't say this is a true or false. It's y minus 2. This is also example of an open sentence. Depend on this open sentence, we can define what is the definition of an equation. An open sentence contains with equality sign, that is called an equation. See this, x plus 3 is equal to 5. X plus 3 is equal to 5. Between this x plus 3 and 5, there will be equality sign. So this is the example of an equation. In this examples, x plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 and 5 are numerous. X is called variable. All the letters are called variables. Y minus 2 is equal to 3. This is also example of an equation. Y is the variable, 2 and 3 are numerous. 3x is equal to 5. 3x means 3 into x. X is the variable, 3 and 5 are numerous. This is also example of an equation. X by 5 is equal to 10. Here we use the last fourth basic operation is division. In this also x is the variable, 5 is the new 5 and 10 are numerous. So x by 5 is equal to 10. This is also example of an equation. It means the meaning of equation, an open sentence contains equality sign, that is called an equation. Now I am going to explain what is the meaning of linear equation. The another name of linear equation is simple equation. The another name of linear equation is simple equation. So, what is the meaning of linear equation? Observe these some examples. X plus y is equal to 5. X plus 3 is equal to 6. X square plus 2 is equal to 10. X cube plus 5 is equal to 3. Before going to learn the definition of linear equations, we have to learn what is the degree and what is the power of the variables. See, x square, x cube and x. In power set, these all are in powers form. X square, here x is the base, 2 is the power or degree. X cube or x to the power of 3. In this also x is the base, 3 is the power or degree. Here only x is given. Only x is given means there will be power or degree is 1. We can write this x to the power of 1 also. In 3 examples, in first example degree is 2, in second example degree is 3, in the third example degree is 1. These are the powers are indicating degrees of given the variables. According to the degrees of variables, we can identify that given the equations are linear equations or not. In an equation, the highest degree is 1. In given the equation, the highest degree is 1. That is called linear equation or simple equation. In an equation, the highest degree is 1. Only the highest degree is 1. That is called linear equation or simple equation. See, x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. Here two variables are there. X and y are two variables. Here the degree of x is 1, then degree of y also 1. So here highest degree is 1. This is the example of linear equation or simple equation. You are thinking 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Between the two variables plus or minus given means you have to take the degrees separately. In case xy is equal to 5 given, x into y and multiplication symbol is there, degree 1, here also degree is 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here the degree will become a 2. Where the multiplication sign is given means we have to add 2 degrees. So here highest degree is 2. This is not a linear equation, but x to the power of 1 plus y to the power of 1 is equal to 5. Here degree is 1 only. So this is the example of linear equation. X plus 3 is equal to 6. Here the degree is 1. This is also example of linear equation. Observe this third example. X to the power of 2 or x square plus 2 is equal to 10. X square plus 2 is equal to 10. Here the degree is 2. When the degree is 2, this is not a linear equation or simple equation. Linear equation means the degree should be only 1. Here degree is 2. So this is not a linear equation. Here also in the both examples the degree is 3. This is not an example of linear equation. Now I hope you understood how to identify the linear equations that may be one variable or two variables. Where the highest power or highest degree is 1 in an equation, that is called linear equation or simple equation. Now we discussed how to identify the linear equations. In an equation the degree is 1, that is called a linear equation. The next concept is linear equation in one variable. This is very simple. I took here in previous examples, in first example, two variables. Linear equation in one variable is x plus 2 is equal to 5, x minus 3 is equal to 6. Observe these two examples. First we have to observe given the equations are linear equations or not. X plus 2 is equal to 5, highest degree is 1. X minus 3 is equal to 6, highest degree is 1. These are the examples of linear equation. And also in these examples, in these equations, only one variable is given, that is x. So, a linear equation with only one variable, that is called linear equation in one variable. See, x square plus 3 is equal to 5. Here also one variable is given. Before that, this is not a linear equation because the degree is 2 here. So, when we are going to identify linear equation in one variable, we have to observe that the highest degree is 1 and an equation is contains with only one variable. Y minus 5 is equal to 7. This is also linear equation in one variable. Y is the only one variable, the highest degree is 1. This is also example of linear equation in one variable. What about this? X by 5 is equal to 10. Is this linear equation or not? Yes. Here the degree of x is only 1. This is a linear equation. And only one variable is there. That is the example of linear equation in one variable. That may be division or addition or subtraction, whatever it is. Just we have to observe the degree of variable is 1 and there will be only one variable. That is called a linear equation in one variable. What about this? X square by 6 is equal to 2. X square by 6 is equal to 2. Is this linear equation? No. This is not a linear equation in one variable also, because the degree is 2 given. First of all, this is not a linear equation, but only one variable is there. We are thinking linear equation in one variable. Before that, we have to check the degree is 1 given or not. Other than that, degree is given means that is not a linear equation. Other than degree 2, 3 is given means in the higher classes we can read that equations, quadratic equations are cubic polynomials, quadruple polynomials. But in this class, only linear equation in one variable is there. Okay, students, this is today's our topic is in the second chapter linear equation in one variable. Just identify the linear equations or simple equation in one variable or not. The next the general form of linear equation is ax plus b is equal to 0 or ax is equal to b. This is the general form of linear equation in one variable when a and b are constants. A and b are constants means a and b are two numbers like 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This This is also example of linear equation. Here variable is x, the highest degree is 1, and 2x is equal to 4. This is also example of linear equation one variable. X is the variable, highest degree is 1. So these are the topics of today's class. So today's homework is page number 35 and 36. Page number 35 and 36. Do this. In page number 35 and 36, do this problems are there. Just you have to check. Given the equations are in first do this the linear equation or not. Second one is the linear equation one variable or not. So this is today's homework.